So before we get into the Honda today, before I give my updates, I want to actually give a quick shout out to my parents, right? So on Tuesday I posted my video and my sister messaged me not long after to say that my parents were watching my video on the TV in their room. And I just want to say to my parents that I love both of you. I'm doing all of this for you guys. I hope that I can make you guys even more proud, and I really hope that I can give you guys a better life. Yeah, that's basically why I'm doing this. Shout out to my wife as well. She supported me through every iteration of this process, meaning over the past 3 years I've attempted this thing like 3 or 4 times, and every time she's been supportive. I do love you. To my son, when you watch us in about 5 years time, I love you a lot, and I'm really also doing this for you because I want you to just have a better life, you know. And shout out to all the people that watch all my videos, that have been liking, that have been commenting, that have been encouraging, right? My family members, my cousins, siblings, shout out to all of you guys. And shout out to Kolas for being one of my first subscribers and for being the most supportive friend that I have ever had. And yeah, so now that all the sappy shit is out of the way, right now it was boring, right? That was just like, fuck it, you know. But that was boring shit. I know. Let's get back to the fun stuff. Today I actually went and bought a shit ton of filler. This one, both fiber fillers, and then I got me the microfiber fiber filler. Got me some acetone to start cleaning my squeegees. And yeah, so yesterday I started putting filler here specifically because this spot was higher than the rest of the spots, right? So I figured I should actually start filling here. And what happened was, it actually started looking very brilliant and it started taking a lot of shape, right? So today I went to get out, I went to go buy a lot of fiber filler so that I could actually fill up everywhere, because there is a shit ton of spots to fill. But I mean, it's definitely coming out enough. If I look at it now, the back seems to be uniform with the front piece. So what I'm going to actually do now is work my way from the back towards the front. Like this here is all fine, right? That's all flat now. I don't need to worry about that. That's fine. It does need to be cleaned up a little bit. Well, most of it still needs to be cleaned up, to be honest. It's just like with a lot of the lightweight filler. But I need this shape to be right, you know. So what I'm going to be focusing on now is starting from this side here, moving my way across till I get back that side, right? Once I do that, I'm pretty sure I'll have it almost perfect. And yeah, after that I'm gonna have to remake these panels, right? Because like you can see here, there is a shit ton of filler on this one. Even on the front it's like that, to be honest. And I don't want fenders that are just filler, especially because like if it breaks it's going to crack, and then I don't know how far that crack's gonna go, you know. Because like this asshole that filled this thing, you just put body filler here in this dent here, and look how this fucking thing is cracking. It's cracking everywhere, right? Yes, see. So yeah, that's what I'm be doing. Just so you guys know, when we do end up spraying these things, I'm gonna see how I spray, and if I spray decent enough, that's almost basically as good as this, because the guy that did this wasn't that great. So if I can do it, I mean, then I'm gonna flat the whole guy and spray the whole thing. I am going to take out this windscreen, take out the roof lining, knock this piece up so that I can get the metal back on top and then just fill it up little. But I also need to fix there, because the asshole that actually sprayed this car didn't fix this up. So every time you put a windscreen in, it cracks down the center. But anyway, that's my update for now. I am just waiting for the electricity to come back. You can see my electric fencing power is just flashing. So yeah, once the lights come back, I'm gonna start sanding. As you can see, I started sanding on the car like this. I covered up those fresh wheels, and yeah, I've been sanding in the garage because at this point I just don't care, to be honest. But yeah, I'll give you guys an update just now before I forget. I ended up sanding this thing yesterday also, to get rid of the guide coat. You can see there is a few flat spots, like the few spots here and there, but mostly, I mean, well, this thing looks like a whole flat spot. Mostly it was fine, but like I say, I'm gonna be recreating these panels. It will also give me an opportunity to actually have a mold to work off, to be honest, because if I take these off, put releasing agent on them, I can reproduce this as much as I want, you know. So yeah, that's what I did yesterday. As I said, waiting for us to dry and gonna start sanding. Okay, so it's like 8 o'clock at night. I'm flippin' tired and I'm probably done for the day. So quick heads up on what we did. Fine. So I put some filler here to try and get this line here right. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted, so obviously I need to put more filler here so that I can get this line to be nice and straight with the rest of the line. Then I'm pretty sure this front is just like done. I don't have anything else to do on it. Yeah, I mean, once that thing is right, I think it will be pretty uniform right around. Then in the back, so the back, we're making progress slowly but surely. First I want to point you to the amount of filler between the edge and the front, you know? The back and the front, that's a shit ton of filler, right? Even here, but anyway, so you can see here now that the back here actually goes into the end, right? Before it was inside going out, now it's actually filled up, and yeah, it's looking pretty decent. Again, this line here at the top now needs to be fixed again, because this whole piece came out. This whole piece here came out, so I need to fix that line at the top like I have to do in the front, and then it's basically going to be almost done. I need to fill up these gaps here also. Basically that side there is finished. It's all of this that needs to be done properly. I'm hoping to finish it this weekend. It's then taking longer than I hoped it would. But yeah, that's basically it of where we at. I used one whole tub of fiber filler, half of the other tub. I don't think I need any more fiber filler at this point. I'm showing the camera at nothing. I don't think I need more at this point because most of the gaps is filled. I may end up just putting like here and here just so it fills up most of that gap. But I really want to get that side finished first so that I know how much I need to actually like bring this round. I can't go out too much though, because if I go out too much there, then the whole shape comes off from this angle here, right? And I don't really want to do that. You can see like the back is already a bit more out, but this line here up from the top line to the fender, it needs to be filled. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing this weekend. I'm hoping. Yo guys, I'm tired. Yes, see, I'm dead tired. Like and subscribe because the shit ain't easy. But yeah, that's basically where we're at. This is my update for Thursday. I will give another update on Sunday where hopefully we will have done this whole piece. If there's anything, any part of this process that you'd like to see me mixing Bondo, me getting these lines right, how I'm going about doing it, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And yeah, we're on our way, guys. Just give you this angle. I think it's gonna look really sweet when it's done. It's just a matter of getting it done. That's my update for today. Peace.